keyboard so dirty that nobody wants to touch it?
Mm-hmm.
We're going to show you how to clean it.
My name is Marina.
My name's Emily, and we're both in stock. Before you begin cleaning the keyboard, make sure you unplug the keyboard. Go to the 99-cent store and buy a cheap paintbrush with soft bristles. Then go through your keyboard really and clean it.
After you get the dust off the keyboard, use disinfecting wipes or baby wipes to wipe down the keyboard.
For those in-between spaces of the keyboard, get a popsicle stick and a baby wipe and wrap it and push it through.
One more thing you can use is canned air to blow off the dust with a parent's permission or adult's permission.